Once upon a time, in a magical garden nestled between the hills, there lived a little moonflower named Luna. She was unlike any other flower in the garden. Her petals shimmered like silver, and her fragrance carried a hint of stardust. Luna loved to gaze at the night sky. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, she would stretch her delicate leaves toward the heavens. "I wonder what lies beyond," Luna whispered to the twinkling stars. One moonlit night, Luna noticed a shooting star streaking across the sky. "Oh," she exclaimed, "I wish to explore the world beyond our garden." The next morning, Luna's leaves quivered with excitement. She decided to embark on an adventure. With her roots firmly planted in the earth, she stretched her stem upward, reaching for the sky. Higher and higher she grew until her petals brushed against the clouds. Luna met a wise old owl perched on a nearby branch. "Where are you going, little moonflower?" the owl hooted. "I want to see what lies beyond the hills," Luna replied. "I want to dance with the wind and touch the stars." The owl chuckled. "Ah, curiosity. It's a powerful force. But remember, Luna, every adventure comes with challenges." Undeterred, Luna continued her ascent. She climbed past the tallest trees, past the misty mountains, and into the vast blue sky. The air grew thinner, and the stars sparkled brighter. Luna felt weightless, as if she could float away. One night she met a comet named Cosmo. "Greetings, Luna," Cosmo said. "I've traveled far and wide. What brings you here?" Luna shared her dream of exploring distant lands. Cosmo smiled. "To reach new heights, you must be brave and patient. But don't forget your roots. They anchor you to the earth." Luna listened carefully. She missed her garden, the dew-kissed mornings, and the friendly ladybugs. She realized that adventure was not just about soaring high. It was about finding a balance between reaching for the stars and staying grounded. Cosmo guided Luna back to the garden. As she descended, Luna's petals glowed with newfound wisdom. She touched the soft soil, grateful for her roots. "Thank you, Cosmo," she whispered. From then on, Luna bloomed every night, sharing stories of her celestial journey with the other flowers. She taught them to dream big but cherish their home. And so Luna the Moonflower became a legend, a reminder that even the tiniest bloom can have the grandest adventures. And that, my dear friend, is the tale of Luna, the curious moonflower. May your own adventures be filled with wonder and wisdom.